Let's learn all the image formation by a convex mirror and a convex lens. Whether it is convex mirror or convex lens, all that you need to remember is this slanting line of X. Okay, and this is this direction that we are going to remember all the image positions. And see, this is a convex mirror. The first position of the object is where, the first position is always that you think of the infinity. So at infinity, when the image is supposed to expect it to be a very big image, so the light rays that come parallel and hit the convex mirror will make a virtual and erect image at the focus, and that the quality of that image is, it is a very small and diminished image. Then the second position for the convex mirror is at any finite distance from the pole of the mirror. And this is the first position and this is the second position. It's only two positions to remember in convex mirror. And the image formed is in between the pole and the focus, and so you have your 2' here. So the first position you have your 1' here at the focus, that is at infinity you have your image at focus, and at a finite distance from the pole of the mirror you have it in between P and F. The image formation by the convex lens, here also all that you need to remember is this slanting line of X. So you have your lens. All that you need to remember, the slanting line of X should intercept the principal axis at F2. Okay, so you have your 6 positions. How do you put the number? Along the slanting line of X. So here is where you're going to keep the object. So you have 6 positions here. First position is at infinity. At infinity, you have your rays parallel. So whenever a parallel ray hit a convex lens, the image is formed at the focus. And a convex lens will be forming a real and inverted image. So the second position is beyond 2F1 or C1. Then you have your second position at B, that is just after 1'. Okay, so here also the image position also you'll be starting from 1' till towards this direction. So you have your 3', you have your 4', you have your 5'. Okay, listen. Third position is at 2F1. So the image is, how is the image at 2F1? The image is also formed at C2 at the center of curvature, and the quality of this image is, the size of the image is same as that of the object. Then the fourth position is in between 2F1, that is C1 and F1, and there the image size is a little more bigger than the object size. The fifth position is at focus, and when the object is placed at focus, you have your image at infinity. So once you put your image at infinity, you don't have a place to draw your 6th position, right? So there's nothing beyond infinity. So where do you draw your sixth image? So 6th image, the object is placed in between F and O. The 6th image is going to be a virtual and erect image on the same side of the lens. See, in the lens, real and inverted images are formed on the other side of the lens, and virtual and erect images are formed on the same side of the lens. So remember this slanting line of X, and your numbering should go along this axis. Okay, so easily you can recollect all the positions of the images as per the object.